see the sun. I can see the sun again.
They get hit by spatulas or spoons or forks. That is a tight rim.
I can see the sun. I can see the sun. I can see the sun.
It's a mini Guardian Service lid. Oh. Oh, what a cutie. Wow. Oh, who's going to be making some eggs? Is that a crack? Oh no, there's a crack in the lid. Oh, and you're happy. Oh no. Oh, it's a good crack. Oh, there's a good crack. There's a good crack right here. I don't know if the cat see it. Oh man. So close. I can see there's a crack here and I'm gonna have to let him know. Because it wasn't mentioned in the ad. I paid about $28 for this. Shipped. Which is a good price if you ask me. Except for the broken lid! Oh well. What a bummer. Okay. This is going to take very little cleaning.
I can see the sun. I can see the sun again. I can see the sun. I can see the sun. I can see the sun again. Again.
It's a tiny one. It's a baby yolk.
I can see the sun. That way is light. I cannot see a barrier. That way is light. That way is home. That way is light. I cannot see a barrier. That way is light. That way is home.
Hey,
I can see the...
I know what you're thinking. Why would I use a glass lid that has a crack in it? I didn't. Fortunately, my little 1-quart, I think it's a 1-quart, the lid is exactly the same. It has the number 7 on it. It has the number 7. Can anyone tell me, are there smaller handles? Do they make smaller handles? This is a very big handle for this. It doesn't fit snug. It's a little loose, not like your normal, and it tilts. If I take the lid off, forget about it, I can't use it. I know they make the little black handles, but I was wondering if they made small versions of these. Anybody know? But it really isn't 7 inches. It's about 6 3/4. And this is so thick, you end up with about 6 1/4. So this is a 6 1/4 inch skillet, not a 7. I do think it's a beautiful skillet. If I could work out the handle, I think I'd use this a lot. But I don't want to be picking it up like this off the stove. Hey! Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Turn off, will ya?